Welcome to the Cybersecurity Awareness Tech, the safe software installation concept. Basics: reduce risk. Install securely. Stay protected. 1. Trusted sources. Install only from official and verified sources. How it works: download from official website, use trusted app stores, avoid unknown third-party sites. Key points: prevents malware infections, ensures authentic software, reduces supply chain risk. Example: downloading software from the official vendor site instead of random, free download websites. 2. Verify software. Check integrity before installation. How it works: verify digital signatures, check file hash, MD5, SHA-256, confirm publisher authenticity. Key points: detects tampered files, prevents fake installers, ensures software integrity. Example: comparing SHA-256 hash from vendor site with downloaded file. 3. Secure installation. Follow safe installation practices. How it works: choose custom installation, deselect bundled software, understand permissions. Key points: avoid unwanted programs, PUPs, prevent hidden spyware, control system access. Example: unchecking optional toolbar or adware during installation. 4. Keep software updated, always use the latest version. How it works: enable auto updates, apply security patches, remove outdated software. Key points: fixes vulnerabilities, improves security posture, reduces exploit risk. Example: updating browser to patch 0-day vulnerabilities. 5. Use security controls, add protection layers. How it works: use antivirus, EDR, enable firewall, perform pre-install scans. Key points: detects malicious files, blocks suspicious behavior, prevents system compromise. Example: scanning installer with antivirus before opening. 6. Avoid risky software, stay away from unsafe content. How it works: avoid pirated, cracked software, be cautious with freeware, avoid unknown email attachments. Key points: stops Trojan infections, prevents ransomware, reduces phishing risk. Example: avoid installing cracked versions of paid software. Quick checklist. Step action: 1. Download from trusted sources. 2. Verify digital signature. 3. Use custom install. 4. Keep software updated. 5. Scan before installing. 6. Avoid pirated, freeware risks. Remember, think before you install. Every download is a potential entry point for attackers. Thanks for watching.